Hi again. So today we'll be looking out our Doctor Desk NEET preparation Notion template. What are the features here and what updates we are having now? So let us move ahead for that. So this is our template here, and you can check the overview here. All the subjects, monthly view, weekly view, and even the bring capsules means flashcards. Let us move one by one. So now we have updated all these sections as button at the top, so you will be able to access it very easily. So first we'll be looking forward for the subject section. So if you'll be clicking into the subject, it will move ahead to all the chapters which we are having for the NEET preparation, which we have to complete. Second, we are having a separate section for biology, chemistry, physics. Okay, so you can track all the subjects here. Even once you complete it out, you can mark it as completed. You can make a sub item here. It means if you are having a sections within a chapter, so you can mention here, and even with that you can make notes of it here. So right now we are going to make a note of current electricity. So we will be clicking here, and whatever notes we can mention, like whatever you want, you can mention it out here as notes. Okay, now at the second point we are having let's move back. Now we are having a second option of resources. Okay, so whatever the resources you are having to prepare for NEET preparation, you can mention all these here and access us out. Like if you are having any YouTube playlist or YouTube video, website, offline, anything, PYQ like previous year question, resources, PDFs, books, all those things you can mention here. Okay, even once you will duplicate the template, you would have to set up something like click on the filter button, go to type, and as it is YouTube, so select YouTube. Now you'll be able to check all the YouTubes here. For the website, you would have to go to the filter option, type, and the website.
Okay. Type book.
Now it's all set. So these all are our resources section, okay, where we can mention all those resources and directly access from here, so we do not have to move out to any other platform and search out for that resource. Next we are having a mock test section where we can mention or track all of our mock tests, like whatever the mock test we have done this all and this week and this month. For this also we would have to set something like go to filter attempt, this week has been selected, like this month, so go to filter attempt and this month selected. Okay, so that's all. Whatever you will mention here, okay, for this month it will be showing here, this week will be showing here, and all will be showing here. Next we are having a section of events. So whatever the daily to-do list you will be mentioning, you can check it out here, whatever the task you have completed mention, and whatever the events you will select, like we are having a section of event. Whatever the event you will select, you can check it out over here at the event section. You'd have to set up something else also here, so go to type and select event. So whatever the events you are having, you can check it here. We are having a flashcard section where you can mention all of your flashcard. So here also the biology, chemistry and physics flashcard. So we would have to go to filter, subject, biology.
Whatever the
That's it. So all flashcard, biology flashcard, chemistry flashcard and physics flashcard. We are having a section, whatever the subjects you have completed, biology, chemistry and physics. It should mention as like, see, we go to subject section, okay, and it's biology. So we have completed 1, 2, 3, 4. Now if you will be go back, so you can check over the biology section, we can check 9.76% completed. So that's how it works. So this is a prescription pad. It is a daily to-do list. Whatever the task you want to mention, you can mention here. If you will check, you'll be move out to the completed section. Left, you can create a new task like task 2. Okay, and if you want to set a reminder, so click @ it will be giving me a reminder or a notification from Notion at 3:06 p.m. that we are having a task 2, and if you would like to select anything like exam, personal, home, so it will be personal. Okay, and once you will click on check, it will move out to the completed. Uncheck, it will move out to the left section. Now let us move out to the vital monitors. So it is a habit list where you're supposed to track your all habits. Okay, what you have to do daily. So this is what we can do, like one, meditate for 10 minutes, exercise for 30 minutes, whatever you will be completing, you will be checking it out. Okay, and if you'll be clicking on new, so it will give you a new track where you would have to mention, and it will be a second number. So that's how it works. You can track your habit history via clicking here, whatever you have mentioned. Okay, and let's move out to the next section. So we are having a Pomodoro section in a big screen now. So once you will click on a start, you'll be able to use it out. Okay, you can track your study sessions, complete your study sessions from this template only. Next, we are having the subject section, same as we are having at the top here. Okay, it is a easy access button, and here you would have to scroll a little. Then at second last, we are having the calendar view, where whatever the task you will be mentioning, about the left task, completed task, and monthly view or tasks, you'll be able to check here. Okay. Okay, the next we are having a brain capsule section. It's all the flashcards. Okay, it is you'd have to scroll it for it. We are having a shortcut button here for the flashcards, so you can check here, or you can directly come to the bottom of the page and create a flashcard here. So that's all here for the NEET template.